I have COVID. I tested yesterday and tested positive, and so did Rich, and so did Luke. So the whole household is now under lockdown. And I feel like, bleh. It's been a PJ's week anyway, and it's been my hair's not getting done. My face isn't getting done. I do have a little bit of energy today, which coincides really good with the box that just came in from Ups. So I figured I'd go through it with you so that I can see what everything is and get all excited for whenever I don't feel like death. Huda has their cyber deal coming up this weekend. Now I had signed up for it ahead of time, so I got access to it last weekend. And I ordered, and it's already here. It's Thursday and it's here. How nice is that for shipping? And I figured we'll go through it and see, so that if you want to take advantage of the Huda Beauty sale, you know what it is and you know that they do fast shipping. I got their Vanilla Lover set. This has the hand cream and the perfume. This was just around $30 instead of $89 just for the perfume. Here's the hand cream and here is the big perfume. I love vanilla scents, so this is going to be perfect. Got a lot of little samples. I've got this brush. It's a Face Conceal and Blend makeup brush. Glow Wish Blur Jam. Wishful Eye Lift and Contour. Wishful Enzyme Scrub. The Huda Faux Filter. The Huda Mascara. Ooh, look at those little weird sample things. The Glow Wish Multi Dew Skin Tint in Light. Usually I'm light, so hopefully that'll work. The Silk Balm Icy. Ooh, it's blue. And then I think I might have purchased these, but I think they were pretty cheap. This is the Huda Full and Fluffy Fiber Brow Gel. Here's a brush. This was $2.50. That's my husband dying. Skincare brush for moisturizers. That's soft, that's small, that's nice travel size, or just normal size. I got the Wishful Glow Trio. Has the enzyme scrub, peptide serum, and a honey whip peptide moisturizer. This is actually going to be a Christmas present for someone. I got the new nude palette. Those colors are gorgeous. I'll do a whole separate video for swatching. Got the Rose Quartz palette. I have had my eye on this. At Sephora, it's $69. With the sale, it was about $40. Look at those colors. I like pinks. I like the shimmers. I like the sparkles. I cannot wait to try this one on and to swatch it and to test them all out. The last thing I got from that sale was this. What is this, you ask? This is their Wishful mystery bag. This you can hang up like that. So I'm going to hang it up right here on the vanity while we go through it. Wishful Get Even Rose Oil. The Wishful Yo Detox. The Eye Lifting Contour. Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask. Chin Lift. This is a sculpting sheet mask. Matte and Metal Eyeshadow. So this is their liquid eyeshadows. And the colors are $1 Million Deals. And this is the bottom one here. This is $1 Million Deals. And this is Slow Jam. Huda Liquid Matte in Alluring. Look at that red. Caterpillars. This is Carmen No. 9. Power Bullet Lipstick in Game Night. Browns usually aren't my shade, but I get these partially as Christmas presents so we can take it apart and see who goes where. And then this I was really hoping would come with it. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette, and they don't sell this alone anymore. So in total, I think this mystery box was $20 or under. So yay, and it came with all of this stuff and the palette. Cha! So you want to see? Ooh, look at those colors. Look, I love the shimmers. There's shimmers everywhere. And then the mattes, those are all doable. Yay. And the case is nice, and it has a mirror. So that's my haul from Huda, but that's not all. I also, because I had signed up for their reward stuff, I ended up with $30 worth of points. So with $30 worth of points and the sale coming up again this weekend, I don't know what else to get. What is your favorite Huda Beauty product?